I was always interested in how things function, even as a kid. Science is a field which thrives on interactions.
I think a lot of people my age got chemistry sets as a Christmas present or something like that. I really enjoyed taking chemistry classes. And then luckily for me, I didn't get into medical school. You know, sometimes when a door closes, another one opens.
Originally, I was very interested in more abstract problems, so I studied physics and math, and I thought, okay, we cannot only crack these abstract problems, but we can make a real difference.
Doctors John Yates, Ruedi Aebersold, and Matthias Mann built the foundation of modern proteomics, the large-scale study of proteins that power life inside our cells. They developed technologies that allow scientists to identify and measure thousands of proteins with extraordinary speed and precision. This transformed protein research from a slow, fragmented process into a powerful systems-level science. Proteomics is now central to understanding disease, accelerating drug discovery, and advancing precision medicine around the world.
And so we totally disrupted how protein biochemistry was practiced, and that these methods and so forth have been so widely adopted around the world. And that's kind of awe-inspiring.
So this is an exciting convergence of these developments in AI and these developments in this proteomic field, where we now can measure not just the proteins but their state. And if these two fields converge, I think this would be extremely exciting prospect.
It will be going into the clinic, into hospitals, and that people can routinely be measured by proteomics technologies. So I think the next 5 years will be as impactful as the last 30 years put together.